Hey everyone, Harris here with iDownloadBlog. So last week we took a look at a seemingly miraculous, and in my opinion, solution that for $35 gave any speaker AirPlay as well as Amazon Alexa capabilities. That kind of blew my mind that it would just have both capabilities in one, seemingly not compatible at all, but it did. But of course there is another slightly more official, slightly less modern solution to do the AirPlay part as well. So if you're looking for something that's perhaps more stylish, that fits in more with your Apple ecosystem, or more is officially supported, but at the same time not really supported anymore solution, then let's go ahead and take a look at this today. So of course what I'm talking about is the Airport Express. This has been out for years and there's been several iterations of it and has actually officially been discontinued very recently in April. So that means while supplies last, Apple will continue selling it, but once that is it, they are gone. Apple sells it for $100. You can find it on Amazon for $90, or you can find it used on something like eBay for $40, $50. That could change as the fact that they are no longer sold in stores. That could drive the price up. So this looks like an Apple product for sure. It's white, it's nice looking, it has the white Apple logo, and everything about it says Apple, and it will fit in with your Apple ecosystem if that is what you're going for. So this works through auxiliary. You plug it into whatever speaker you have, you set it up with the Airport app and connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and then you're good to go. Now this isn't perfect, and when you're playing to it through AirPlay, you will have perhaps some latency issues. With AirPlay 2, it has been improved, and Apple has not released whether they're going to support AirPlay 2 with this device or not. However, it appears that they just might, because it does show up on the Home app with iOS 11.4 betas, but that does not mean it will be officially supported when the final AirPlay 2 comes out. But of course we will see, and fingers crossed that it will. Anyway, this very simply allows you to stream your media over the Wi-Fi to the speaker. No matter what speaker you have it played into, it will go through the AirPlay, and you can have wireless audio through the Wi-Fi, and that's pretty nice. The sound quality is going to be a little bit better than Bluetooth, and it's very convenient to be able to play from anywhere in the house. It's not perfect, but I have used it on several speakers throughout the house, and it does work pretty well. So if you're looking for a perhaps inexpensive option on eBay for $30 to $40, this is not a bad option. However, it is not officially supported anymore as Apple has stopped selling it. And it's not going to be perfect. There are some latency issues, but if you're looking for something with AirPlay, this is not a bad option if you don't want the bulky device that was the Eufy Genie. If you want to check out the Eufy Genie or this Airport Express, I will leave links in the description to check it out. Anyway, let me know what you think about this device, and if you have any feedback, or if you use it, or if you like it or don't, let me know. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out iDownloadBlog.com, and you can follow all of us on social media. Thank you for watching.